Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Monday, April the 8th, and we're getting ready for our house guest that comes over and eats dinner with us on Monday nights, and we thought we'd bring you along. So the kids are working on some projects here. Alana is getting dishes done, Jackson is watering the dog, but we do have to put some dishes and things away. We do have the crock pot on.
Man, come on now.
Oh, he up. Yes. So I'm getting ready to help Tran and get some things squared away for himself as well. We're going to be doing a new recipe tonight, so I thought I'd share that with you. And we're doing ribs. We're doing bacon wrapped green beans, Parmesan green beans. And what else? I think we're going to do a salad and a dessert. So we got a couple things we're going to be working on. The kids and I are getting ourselves squared away. Jackson has some math Mom needs to help you with, right? So I'm going to help Jackson with some math. So let me share with you guys. I needed to get some barbecue sauce for the ribs, and I found this at Walmart. For all my G. Hughes fans, for all my G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce fans, won't he do it? Sweet and spicy G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue. Bam! He'll do it. Won't he do it? Yes, he will. Won't he will? Yes, he will. Yes, he will. Y'all, I've been waiting for this to come out, and I'm so excited. This is a regular one we normally get. It's the hickory or the original, but now they have the sweet and spicy. G. Hughes is doing his thing real big. I'm also going to be working on doing a deconstructed jalapeno popper. Instead of stuffing the jalapenos with the cream cheese stuff, I'm actually going to chop the jalapenos and put it in the dip like that. So that's going to kind of be an appetizer. Let me get the oven turned on while I'm thinking about that. Let me do that at 400. There we go. So anywho, we just thought we'd bring you guys along to hang out with us while we are getting some stuff done for our house guests. So come hang out with us. Alright, you guys, so look what I found. I was at that same Walmart that I got the other mouse pads from, and they had some new designs. This is a weekly notes. I love that gold foil at the top. Not sure about the grid pattern, like that may not be my fave, but I love that top part there. And then I got this one, which I do like this one a whole lot. And then this was a fun one. I don't know if they were trying to go with the Easter theme or what. No problema. Okay, so this is a llama theme, but I'm going to be doing another giveaway probably this Thursday with my grocery haul and meal plan. So be looking for that video. That'll be coming out because I really wanted to give away more than what I did, but I couldn't find any more at the one Walmart, but I was able to find a few more of these. So if you're interested in being a part of this giveaway and you did not win last time, then be looking for details on this giveaway. So I'll have some details again probably on my Thursday's video. So we'll see how that goes. But we are in the throes of prepping for for our guests.
I don't have to do any health class till after spring break.
That's lovely.
That means I can be finished. But Mom, I need to ask a question.
Okay.
We're learning about safety, and I just did 3 lessons of, well, I did actually 2 lessons of a quiz of home safety.
Right.
But
I have a bundle of green beans, and we're just going to take 1 piece of bacon.
How many is that?
I don't know. I just got a
you
bundle
just
together.
have to get like a handful.
Make sure they're kind of the same size. Right?
Okay.
And then you just want to lay them down. That's it. You can help. You just need to get a couple, and then you can move on from there.
saying, Mother Mom. With things in the garage, it's things you don't work with. It's got to be here in the kitchen.
All right, you guys, so I'm kind of making like a, kind of like crack dip, but I'm doing unstuffed jalapeno peppers. Instead of stuffing the jalapenos, we're actually just gonna do it in the oven. So what we did was de-seeded the jalapenos. We went ahead and de-seeded them, and I just used this food processor to slice them, dice them up. I didn't feel like doing, and I wanted them to be fine. I didn't want it to be a lot of heavy pieces, so we just did it like this. So this is about 6, I think it's 6 jalapenos, and it turns out my friend is not going to be able to come. She was not back home yet. She was actually in South Carolina working her way home. I think she drove to Florida today, or halfway to Florida and back. So, and that does appear to me to be like a lot of jalapenos, but we're going to try to cool it down a little so it's not overly spicy. I'm going to add to this 2 packages of cream cheese, 2 packages of ranch dressing, and then I'm going to add in some real bacons, and then I'm going to do a fun topper. So I'm going to show you guys that when I get the other parts of the batter ready. So here is what's going in the oven. We had these ribs. They were in the crock pot. So they're done nice and tender. We just put some barbecue sauce on it, and I saved my fat. My kids don't like that, but I like it. So I'm going to put this in the oven and then broil it in just a little bit. But to cook, I've got this. This is like a unstuffed jalapeno pepper. And so I've got jalapenos, cheddar cheese, cream cheese, and some ranch dip. And on top of it, I just sprinkled some real bacon pieces with a tablespoon of Truvia brown sugar. And then to finish out the meal, we have some green bean wrapped bacon wrapped green beans. My kids don't like asparagus, but we are going to give these green beans a try. So we're putting everything in the oven for about 25 minutes, and then we should be ready to eat our meal. So here are the kids eating their meal. Jackson, what you got, girl? I mean, what you got, boy? My bad. I'm sorry. I'm tired.
Why did you call Trent Jackson?
I don't know. Did I call you Jackson?
You did, Mother.
I'm sorry. Forgive. Do you forgive? Do you forgive, Jack?
Mm-hmm.
Do you need a napkin? Mm-mm. We don't need a napkin. How about this? Lord help. Y'all.
Oh, you gotta try to dip with this.
What you think, Alon? It's very lovely.
Yes.
Okay. Well, let's see what I can eat. Alana made my plate. So here's the dip that we had. That turned out pretty nice, actually. Caramelized, anyway. Then the ribs. And then the bacon wrapped green beans. I probably would have liked my my bacon a little bit more crunchy, so I would have put the broiler on. But I was working and doing some stuff. So there it is. Our friend didn't come tonight, but anywho, we're still eating. You guys say, hey YouTube. Hey, YouTube. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys next time. Bye now.